Hello, dear student. Welcome back once again. My name is Paras Kalaria, and I am going to take your advanced web designing subject. In today's lecture, as per your syllabus, we are going to see what is SQL and what is the importance of structured query language, that is SQL. So, in this web blog, it has been mentioned that is what is SQL first of all. So, SQL stands for Structured Query Language. Earlier, it is named as SQL, that is Structured English Query Language, and nowadays also it is many a time pronounced as SQL database. But later on, due to some trademark issue, some another business, the name has been renamed as SQL, and that has been accepted by ANSI right now. So now it is known as SQL. SQL is basically a database language. It supports the backend databases. So, whichever front end you are using as a backend, SQL is must used as a database software. Now, what is database? So, you might be learned in subject called DBMS the concept of database. In database, it includes numerous tables and it stores data in terms of rows and columns. This is also technically known as column fields. Now, when we are having great number of fields, great number of columns in a one data, it is known as database. And we are able to perform various database operations like this on SQL databases. Now, let us see that SQL is the most mainstream language that is used to access database. This because it can work with any database. Now, which are this any database? So the example of these databases are MySQL and PostgreSQL and Microsoft SQL also. So these are the various examples which uses SQL as a base language to develop its own database services. So there are various diverse SQL database include similar core SQL commands that can vary in different regions or different languages. Now, what are the advantages of structured query language? First advantage is it is universal. That means whether you are using any scripting language as a C++, JavaScript, Python, or other languages like PHP, you can seamlessly use as a backend this SQL database as a backend to this front end services. So this is first advantage. It is universal. So one kind of SQL database can be interchangeably used in any of the front end languages. This is one of the advantage of it. Second is it is open source. So it is easy to learn and easy to use. When any software is open source, there is a large community developers who is involved in the betterment of that software. So open source software is oftenly upgraded or updated frequently, and so we'll get better and better version of the SQL. And SQL and MySQL are also posted on Stack Overflow consistently. So you will get the updated version of SQL. These are some of the database packages which utilizes as a base SQL structured query language in their services named MySQL, MariaDB, Postgres, and Microsoft SQL, etc. Third advantage is it can manage millions of data. When it comes to traditional spreadsheets, it can manage some 1000, kind of number of records. But when it comes billions and billions of record, like 100 million or more, SQL is completely equipped to handle that kind of large number of data. So if there are millions of queries fired parallelly, SQL is easily manage that kind of data. Whereas in that case, spreadsheet might be crashed. So when you are using SQL, you do not have to worry about regular crashes when you are handling large number of data. So that is third advantage. Fourth is technology evolution. As I have said earlier also, this database is consumed by many database backend server provider. So since this is open source, continuous evolution will be there in this software, and that is why that has been adopted by many backend server provider, as you can see on screen, and it is used hugely by many associations, small companies, banks, hospital, colleges, etc. So in current technologies like Android and iOS is also using SQLite, one of the SQL database backend server of SQL based in their backend services. So if you are developing Android and iOS application, you will use SQLite as a database in that. Fifth importance of that is it's high demanded. Why it is high demanded? Because in current technology, whichever front end you will use, if you make dynamic, you must associate with the backend database, and therefore will need different software packages, backend software packages like MySQL, MariaDB, Microsoft SQL, etc., which is basically in base using this SQL or structured query language model only. So this is highly in demand, and one graph is depicted over here, which shows that whether you are any developer, the developer must needs the backend support, and that is why SQL is highly used. In concluding remarks, also it has been mentioned that the current technologies like business intelligence (BI) and business analytics (BA) and data science also equipped with handling large number of data. The companies need to continuously convert their database into digital form, and they have to manage this data. So SQL is continuously used magnificently by various applications and industry. So this is the concluding remarks of what is the SQL and what is the importance of structured query language. Thank you for listening to the question.